Welcome back, everyone. Hope everyone is well. So, today I'm going to dive into a subject that I wanted to go through weeks ago, but I just didn't get the time to. What to know to start trading in 2020. So, first of all, let's talk about the stock market versus the forex market, the currency market, which is the market that I'm trading right now. So there's a lot of people that ask me if this financial crash, this stock market crash, has affected me negatively in my trading because they know that I'm a trader. So the answer is stock market is a lot different than the forex market. So basically, when you're trading stocks or you're owning stocks, um, it's it, it's way simpler. So basically, when the stocks are going to depreciate in value, like in this stock market crash, obviously you're going to lose money because you were owning a stocks in the market. So if the stock market is going to crash and you own stocks, you're going to lose a lot of money. Forex market is different because basically I don't own anything. So you don't own currencies. What you do trade is you're buying contracts that represent the difference between two currencies. So let's say, for example, I'm buying a contract that says if the euro is appreciating against the yen, then the more the euro is going to appreciate against the yen, the more I'm going to make money. If I'm buying a contract that says that the euro is going to depreciate against the yen, the more the yen is going to appreciate against the euro, the more I'm going to make money. So basically, you don't own anything, but you own a contract that says no matter where the market is going to go, if you bought the right contract that goes in your direction, you're going to make a lot of money. So no matter where the global market is going, you can make a ton of money trading the forex market, and that's what it's actually genius in trading the forex market. Safe haven has a way better chance to appreciate versus the US, euro, the pound, all reserve currencies. So in those time of crisis, one of my strategy will be to focus myself on buying safe havens like gold, the Japanese yen, sometimes even the Swiss franc, CHF. So basically, in times of crisis, in times of recession, fear will be the main controller. Fear will be the main market controller. So that means that people usually will tend to transfer their wealth in other riskier assets that people have been invested in the last 10 years to safe haven currencies. So the Japanese yen, gold, obviously, and even sometimes CHF, the Swiss franc. So base your strategy on that, meaning to make 80% at least of your positions in the direction of the yen, in the direction of gold or CHF. So basically, you'll have a way better chance of winning and just being right, which is what you want to do. In trading, you cannot be right at all times. What you actually want to do is to increase your chance the more as you can to be right. Swing trading versus day trading. So I really believe that in terms of crisis like we are right now and instabilities, um, volatility will be a lot more present in the market, which means that when you try to catch smaller movement, intraday movement, there's a better chance that you get stopped out and then that the market will go back in your direction, and that could be very frustrating. So, because your stop loss pace will be 25 pips, 30 pips, 50 pips. So swing trading allows you to determine a stop loss that is way wider. So I'm talking about 100 pips, 150 pips, even sometimes 200, 300 pips, depending on the target um, that you have for this pair. So that gives a lot less chance to the daily volatility to get to your stop zone before coming right back, which, as I said, is really frustrating when it happens. So if you get the daily and weekly picture, you'll be right more times, even more if you're betting on safe havens. Most of the news you'll see is way more sensational than the actual importance that we'll have in the market. So follow what's going on, but use great sources. And what I mean by great sources, I mean objective sources and not sensational sources, like Forex Live, Trading Economics, Zero Edge. So those are all great sources that I used to follow since the last 3 to 4 years. I'm going to put the link down below for you to watch them. It's completely free sources, and basically that's what I use, and that's what I advise every new trader to use. So those are some sources that I used to follow since last couple of years, and I'm going to put the link down below for you guys to check them out. So I hope you guys like those smaller advice. So those are really important thing to understand if you want to start trading in 2020. This year will be a way different year than last year because we're completely entering in a new recession, in a new depression. So there will be a lot more volatility, but it only means that there's more opportunity for us to make money. If you have a strategy, if you know what you're doing, this year can be a lot more profitable than the last 2 years. But you need to have a strategy, you need to know what you're doing. So that's why I'm making those small video for you guys to have a better understanding of what you need to do. So if you like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button as well. And if you have any comments, questions regarding anything that I've said during this video, you can feel free to comment them down below. I'm going to be happy to answer them as soon as I can. So until next time, guys, stay safe, trade safe. Cheers.